What's up? It's Jepha. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a dream catcher today because that's my vibe. Here's a clip of everything that you guys can use. And here comes my cat. And here we have all our supplies. Ribbon, a metal circle, scissors, hair wrap thread, some tulle, and some water. Always some water. How to wrap this metal piece with some tulle. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is knot some of this tulle from the end. So if you notice, when you start wrapping, bunch it up, and you kind of have to pinch your finger here so that it doesn't pull all the way through, and then you're just doing circles of nothingness. But as you can see, it gets all knotted up like this. Eyeball what you think you need. It's better to overshoot than to undershoot. Alright, so we've already kind of made a mess. I'm going to keep throwing this through, and again, make sure that you are pinching your finger here to hold it. There's some space here, but that's cool because you just pinch, push, 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 push. And you're looking good. It's looking good. Just tying the knot. There's that. Next step is going to be making the middle part. Now, I've tied the original knot, and I'm going to overlap and go underneath and create this little piece here. It's like a little pulley system. All right, and you can make these as big as you want. I'm just gonna keep it like 1.5 inches. Once you get them all the way around like that, start with this first one here. Just pop it through. Boom. Continuously go through. See how it's starting to make that cool little design? Yeah, so I'm gonna do this some more and then show you again. All right, so we have reached a stopping point. Looks like that. It's pretty cool. As far as this goes, you just pull it, don't pull too tight because it'll bust. Make a knot. I'm being very naughty today. Boom. And good. Boom. Next up, we're going to add the bottom part, the ribbon part. I'm going to fold it in half like this. Make a little, like, pretend ribbon. And I'm going to pull it through here partially. I have a little hole opening here like this. Okay. And I'm going to pull these two through. It ends up being like that. And then I'm going to tie a knot here. And then you got to kind of settle them down. Boom, we got one. All right, so we're here. Looks a little silly, but it's not. Okay, it's going to look cool. I'm going to make it longer with these guys. Whee! With that said, I'm going to see how long do I want these to dangle down. Boom. Marker. Folding it in half. Thread it through. Tying the knot. All right, so this so far is what it looks like. Hippies like to recycle, so I'm going to take some of this old string that I had. And then, hey, we've got an American dream catcher. America. All right, well, I hope you guys learned something today about dream catchers. I hope it helps some kind of way. I always wanted to learn how to make them. Looked it up on YouTube. Now I can't stop making them. They're all over the house. They're on my Etsy if you're interested in purchasing one or a custom one or maybe even the one that I made today. If you choose to make one of these dream catchers based off of stuff that you learned from me today, show me a picture, send me a video, let me know. Write it down in these comments over here. Peace. What the what? Oh, Dahlia. Damn it, Dahlia. Come on, girl.